not yet. We're about to make it.
No ice cream.
Yeah, not yet, but we're gonna make some.
What's happening?
All right, you ready to get started?
Yeah.
All right, cool. What's up, everybody? I'm Ryan, and what's your name? What's your name? What's your name? That's right, and you are watching Ryan and Ray make ice cream. Today we're gonna make some really fun ice cream. We are going to make eggnog ice cream, mainly because the holidays are here. Tomorrow's actually Thanksgiving for us. I know she really loves eggnog, and I love eggnog too.
Yes.
Yes, so we're gonna make that, and I actually call it Adirondack Eggnog, mainly because I grew up close to the Adirondack Mountains. Yeah, I grew up. In Reagan? Well, you grew up here in Vacaville, but I grew up close to the Adirondack Mountains in upstate New York, because that's where Daddy's from.
Yeah.
Where are you from?
At work.
You're from work. We're gonna have a lot of fun making it, and I think we should just get started. So, should we say, let's go?
Let's go.
All right. All right, cool. So first things first, Ray, what do we need?
Milk.
Milk? We do need milk, but what else do we need?
Sugar.
Sugar. That's right. So,
Or brown sugar.
we're not going to use brown sugar with this one. So we are going to use, how much sugar should we put in?
Yeah.
A lot of it? We can do a lot, or we can do a half a cup. There we go. And would you like to pour that in? A little more. Good job. So now we've got our sugar in there. What should we get next?
Milk.
Milk, that's right. So, we are going to use a cup of milk for this. Is that right?
Yes.
All right, so I'll pour this in here. All right, you want to dump it in? Good job. All right, good job, I'm proud of you. So now we've put milk in. What do we need next?
Cream.
Cream, that's right. Yeah, you can dump it out. Oh, sure, why not? All right, so you typically would use 2 cups of heavy cream when we make it at home, but we're actually gonna use 1 cup, and I'll show you why in just a minute. Ray, you wanna dump the rest of this in? There you go, a little bit more. Why not? You wanna smile to the camera?
Cheese.
Okay, so now we've got our sugar, we've got our whole milk, we've got our heavy cream, and last but not least, what else do we need?
Milk.
A different kind of milk. We're gonna pour some eggnog in. And what we're gonna do...
Bring them out.
Yeah, you can dump it out. Like I said, typically we put 2 cups of heavy cream in, but we only put 1 because our other cup is going to be of the eggnog that we'll use right here. So, Daddy will pour it in the measuring cup. Can you make sure I do 1 cup? There we go. Let's do a little bit more because why not? No, Ray's gonna pour it in. You wanna pour it in? All right, cool. Just don't put too much more out. There we go. Okay. All right, so we've got that. I'm gonna clean up for just a second, and we'll put in our special ingredients. Just a little bit. So, we're all cleaned up, I think. You look good? Feel good? Good. And we are going to put in 1 more ingredient. You know what it is?
Milk.
Milk? No, but it's called nutmeg. And we actually have some right here. We've got whole nutmeg. Oh, I'll put it in. You can watch though. Is that okay? I don't know if you'll do this. Maybe. Who knows? And we're gonna do some shavings. I'm gonna pour that right in. Usually it's used for a little bit of garnish, but I'm just gonna put it into the mixture because why not?
What's this in there?
It's called nutmeg.
Let me do it.
You wanna do it? All right. Good job. Cool. Perfect, thank you so much. So now we've got our mixture all done. It's all ready. We've got the eggnog, the milk, cream, the nutmeg. Ray's super happy with it. So now we're gonna take it over to the ice cream station and we are going to mix it up and we'll get it ready for the cold bowl. Yeah, you can bring it over. Okay. So while Rae plays with her cars, we are going to take our mixture. You can see all that nutmeg right in there. Super good. And we're going to put this on. Hey Rae, you want to get it mixing?
No.
Okay. There we go. So we're going to turn that on. There we go. We'll let that go for about 5 minutes or so. Alright, so now our mixture, it's been a couple minutes, so it should be about done. So now we need to taste it to make sure that it's okay. And she's going to take it. What do you say? Please? Good manners. See what Rae thinks. You want to turn to our friends and tell them what you think? It's good. Anything else you want to say? More? That works as well. So now we're going to keep this mixing for a little bit. And it's time to get the cold bowl so we can start mixing it. So that sound can only mean one thing. It's time for the cold bowl. Ooh, it might be too cold. Woo! My hands are hurting. All right, you want to try? Make sure it's cold enough. You think it's cold enough?
No.
No. I definitely think it's cold enough. So we're gonna put that on. We're going to stop our mix. Got the cold bowl in there. Ray's taking a couple more sips just to make sure it's perfect. We'll take our mix and we will pour it in. So Ray's gonna put that on. You wanna take this too? All right, cool. And let's turn it on for 25 minutes. Turn that on. There we go. And Rae, as always, has to get a couple last sips. All right, so now the ice cream is just about done. Actually, it is done. So we are going to test it and make sure it's okay. You want to start it off? Perfect. Rae will test it out. Alright. I'll take the spoon. What do you think?
Good.
Is it good? Perfect. It's Rae approved. So now we're going to take this and we're going to put it in our container so then we can put it in the freezer and so we can have nice, cold, hard ice cream. You ready for that?
Okay, I'm 1 minute.
We'll turn it on for 1 minute. Sounds good.
Oh, what's this? Oh, yeah.
Alright, so now we are all done with our mix. We are all done with our ice cream. We've got it right here. We've taste tested it, and it's really, really good. So now it's just time to put it into our bowl so we can put it in the freezer. So you want to help me with this? Perfect. You can see how it turns out. You can eat it just like this, as we always say, but I like a little harder ice cream. What about you?
Oh, yeah.
You like, what kind of ice cream do you like?
Green.
Green ice cream? All right, maybe we can make
Red ice cream.
red ice cream? Maybe we can make that next time.
Big ice cream.
Big ice cream. Oh. Almost done with it. Oh, maybe. Oh. All right. And there we have it. We have our Adirondack Eggnog Ice Cream. I love it. Rae obviously loves it. And I think it's pretty good. So what we will do is we will put it in the description so you can make it at home, just like we were doing. Ray's probably going to finish the rest of this and I'm gonna try to stop her. So I think we should now put it in the freezer and we should go play with toys. That sound good? All right, cool. So what do you say to our friends?
Bye.
Bye-bye. Is it good?